What have you got to say to the world?
It's about -25 at the moment. It's quite nice and sunny. Not so long ago we were in England and we're at this car show and it was really warm. It wasn't so many months ago really. Let's take a look at that. Let's look at the car show.
We are in the car show. Very nice, very beautiful cars, very old, very spicy.
Lots of different things here. Some big American stuff, some cool old English things. Wow, look at this for example. Look at that, it's amazing. Loads of minis. Lots of cool camper vans and Beatles. Loads of great stuff. It's excellent. Very British here.
Very British and very warm today.
It's a lovely hot day. I'm just doing a little filming.
I had some of these. I had a black one.
Did you?
White one.
You did, didn't you?
Yeah. They
Like this
good.
one? The white
yeah,
one?
this one. The black one I crashed into a field.
Yeah, I was going to ask, how are you still alive?
Drive it back with 3 wheels.
All right.
Right. How you doing?
No, it'll be fine. Classic cars. Can I ask you, sir, what do you think of classic cars?
I think that they're dirty, polluting beasts which really should have been scrapped and recycled into something like a one of those Prius things.
So you're an eco warrior, are you?
Absolutely, yes. I do enjoy fighting with people generally, and certainly over the eco thing.
Is that an issue for you?
I suppose I should really find out more about it, but as long as there's a fight.
So you haven't got any facts, or
Oh, no.
never let
I don't think so, no.
never let facts get in the way of?
I don't think so, no. I don't enjoy facts. I think never let a fact get in the way of a good fight.
What do you think of all these old cars?
They're alright. They're excellent.
Right, good. That was brilliant. Oh, actually, Jim, what's this? That's my hoodie. Very cool. That is like your.
stick it in a drive.